to make quick changes in your presentation. Today, I'll show you a simple trick to find and replace text in seconds using the Ctrl F function. The same technique can be used for Word documents too, but we will be using PowerPoint in this video. Let's get started. In the video, we will be changing the word patient to service user. First, press Ctrl and keep pressing it as you then also press F on your keyboard. This opens the Find panel. Type the word you want to find, in this case, patient, and press Find next. To search through if you want to check before replacing the word. Alternatively, to replace the word throughout the document, click Replace All. Click Replace All. Word will automatically update every instance of patient to service user. You can see in the trainer notes the word has been updated. That's it. Remember to save if you are happy with your changes. This is a quick tip to save time and ensure consistency in your documents. If this helped, let us know in the comments below and tell us what other tips you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.